Hello, North Carolina homeowners. Today we're excited to share some fantastic news and tell you about the benefits of one of the most innovative roofing options on the market, Gator Metal Shingles. Gator Metal Shingles are built to last, offering the strength of metal combined with the classic beauty of shingles. They're resistant to extreme weather, including high winds, heavy rains, and even hail. So you can rest easy knowing your roof is prepared for whatever Mother Nature throws at it. Next, we cannot overlook the aesthetic appeal. Gator Metal Shingles come in a variety of styles and colors, allowing you to achieve the look you want. Whether you prefer the classic look of traditional shingles or a more modern design, there's an option that will perfectly complement your home's style. Now let's talk about energy efficiency. Gator Metal Shingles reflect heat, which means they help keep your home cooler during those hot North Carolina summers. This reflective quality can significantly reduce your cooling costs, making your home more energy efficient and saving you money on your energy bills. Another great benefit is a low maintenance. Metal shingles are designed to require minimal upkeep, so you won't have to worry about frequent repairs or replacements. Their durable finish resists chipping, cracking, and warping, which means your roof will stay looking great for years with very little effort on your part. And finally, longevity. Gator Metal Shingles can last up to 50 years or more, far outlasting traditional roofing materials. This means fewer replacements over time, giving you peace of mind and a roof that you can count on for decades. So there you have it, 5 incredible benefits of Gator Metal Shingles that make them a top choice for homeowners in North Carolina. If you're ready to upgrade your roof and enjoy all these benefits, let's get your free estimate scheduled today. Call the number or visit metalroofingcolors.com.